Hey everyone, it's Glenn Coe here, Realtor with Dan Plowman Team Realty, here at our newest home for sale in Oshawa. It's 1288 Fenelon Crescent. This one is a slam dunk. As you step inside this beautiful home, you'll see this beautiful kitchen to my left, along with an open concept living room, dining room area, which actually leads out to the patio area with a nice deck. Check out this beautiful big kitchen. Has a nice window out here. You can actually see your kids play in the front yard. So here we are on the second floor, and the main highlight is the oversized primary bedroom. Tons of natural light here, big closet space, and also 2 additional bedrooms that are good size. Let's have a look. Well, here we are in the basement. Features a large rec room area. Perfect for doing your workout, a couple curls, get your workout in. Also a little sports entertainment. And some playtime. Well, here we are outside. See this fully fenced backyard with a nice deck here. Great for outdoor parties and barbecues. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any other questions, click the number above. If you don't want to miss out on any other opportunities, click on the subscribe button. Hope to see you soon.